Hi everyone. Today I'm here to share my personal experience from which I want all the women who have similar problems to come out of it. My life was not bed of roses after marriage. Before that, my father gave me everything before I asked for, and I was born with a silver spoon. But in mother in law's place, I was not treated even equal to a servant. I can tell you that I was not even being treated like a human being. I was suffering like anything, and my husband was in a helpless situation. He could not battle between wife and mother. It was so difficult for him to stand for me. So I really got depressed. I had a miscarriage, and I was completely stressful, and I was seriously depressed. But when I came back from my depression, it was just like a lion coming back. And whenever she tried to depress me, I used to come back two times double strong. So I learned self love and confidence on me. And I changed my husband with only this. If you stand for yourself, whole world will stand for yourself. When you lose confidence on you, nobody will stand for you. Every time a woman stands up for herself, without knowing it or without claiming it, she's standing for all women on the earth. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Vani Amarnath from Bangalore. What I want to share with you today is problems may be different in different people's life, but everyone will be facing one or the other problem. In my case, I was 18-year-old when I got married and came to my in-laws house. I was married to a joint family. I struggled a lot. I had to hear some hurting sentences also. Conversations also were going on. But I was very sad. I used to cry daily, literally. Then I thought, why shouldn't I take it as a challenge? I started thinking, no, this is not the right way of me being like this. Whatever is necessary in the family, I took up all the responsibilities. I started balancing everything, and I'm happy now. That's it. Whatever it is, we have to take everything as a challenge. There's nothing that we cannot achieve in life. Jai Hind.
Hi, good morning, ladies. I'm Shanti. Many people will come and go, they will give suggestions, everything they will do. At the end, you are the one who has to face the sequences, who has to live the life. Some people will, they will guide you in a right path. Maybe that time you may not feel it is a right path. Or many things are there. Okay, but once when we experience each and everything only, we will become perfect. So at that point of time, the choosing the right way is very much important. Okay, so I think I have chosen the best way of my life, where I'm really happy. Working with an NGO, serving means helping many women in the village to come up in their life. When I see them, I really feel so happy that I'm doing something good. And because of me, there are so many women who's getting empowered, and they are coming out of their family and it is helping them to stand on their own legs. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to give a tip to you. Whomever guides you, whomever tells you whatever it is, finally it should be your decision, and that decision should be, you should have confidence in you so that you can take a right decision. The problems or whatever comes is for everyone, it is common for each and every person, it differs, that's all, and it is common. So Just decide the right thing, what you wanted, go accordingly, and make sure whatever you are doing, you are happy with that. That's all. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you, Anita.
एकल नमस्कार, मैं सरिता बंसाली एकल आरोग्य फाउंडेशन की प्रेसिडेंट। और एकल आरोग्य या एकल एक ऐसी संस्था है जो पूरे भारत में पिछले 30 सालों से गांवों में पढ़ाई, स्वास्थ्य, संस्कार, ग्रामोत्थान, स्किल डेवलपमेंट में काम करती है। और मेरा उसमें विद्यालय से रिलेटेड और आरोग्य से रिलेटेड काफ़ी काम है, जहां हम सुदूर गांवों में जाते हैं और उनके स्वास्थ्य के प्रति ध्यान देते हैं। आज मुझे कहा गया कि घर बैठे भी औरतें कैसे कमाई कर सकती, तो कमाई करने का या अपनी जिंदगी को सुधारने के बहुत तरीके हैं, जिसमें से जैसे आजकल के बच्चे लोग बटन टाकना, सिलाई करना, टूट फूट रिपेयरिंग करना का भी नहीं जानते हैं। तो हम घर बैठे अपने आसपास के लोगों को बोल सकते हैं आपकी कुछ भी ऐसा काम है वो कर सकते हैं। रिसाइकलिंग की चीज़ों के बारे में जानकारी कर सकते हैं, और कोई भी जो सामान आपकी एरिया में ज़्यादा महंगा मिल रहा है होलसेल रेट में लाके, तो पॉइंट्स बहुत हैं। जब मैं आप लोगों से मिलूंगी इसके बारे में और जानकारी दूंगी। तब के लिए धन्यवाद। सी यू ऑल सून।